Friends, here we are talking about types of AI models based on usage. See, actually, an AI model is like a specialized brain trained to perform a specific type of task. See, if you remember in our previous video, we talked about LLMs. Actually, an LLM or large language model is one type of AI model that is designed to understand and generate text. So simply, LLM is one type of brain that purely works on text. Similarly, there are AI models for image generation, speech recognition, text to speech, vision, and for embeddings. So be clear, all these are different AI models. Suppose if you go with image generation, that is one type of AI model and that specifically designed to work with images. Now let me explain about these AI models with a simple diagram. See here, AI models are nothing but different brains for different uses. See, suppose here if you see, first model is large language models. So LLMs or large language models are specially designed to work with text. And the next one is image generation models. Simply generate and create images from text. So these models are specialized to generate and create images from text. Same way, speech models, text to speech models, and embedding models. So be clear, we have different organizations like OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Meta, and DeepSeek. All provide their own AI models. Suppose if we take, let's say, OpenAI provides large language models, image generation models, speech models, text to speech models, and embedding models. And be clear, in our course, we are focusing on LLMs. Nothing but we are working with the text using one of the AI model called LLM. And the concepts you learn here can be applied to other AI models as well, since most of them follow similar development workflows and API patterns. Okay, thank you.